after day, I wish I could see how I am growing, how I am changing in my special way. One day, Bina hatched out of her egg. Wow! I wonder what she was. I wonder if she was a baby chick, or a baby chicken, or a little baby bird, or a baby crocodile, or a baby dinosaur, or a baby puppet. We shall find out. Let's have a look. She was a caterpillar. Also known as a larva. Larva! Can you say larva? Larva! Yeah. And she was no ordinary caterpillar. She was a blue caterpillar with a soft, squishy body. Squish, squish. And she had little yellow legs. And pink fluff. Pink fluff. You done? Yeah. And she was very, very hungry. Munch, 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 munch. I'm 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 hungry. One day, Bina wasn't so hungry anymore. Instead, she wanted to look for a place where she could be alone and safe and change again. And she went on this journey as fast as she possibly could go. Bina, is that the fastest you can go? And I can't do it. Okay, I'll carry. This is the perfect place for me. And Bina was there. This was the perfect place for her, where she could be alone and change again. Wow! What do you think she changed into this time? No, not butterfly. What are they teaching you at school? She turned into a cocoon. Parents, this is not a $6 lamp from Kmart. It's a cocoon. One day, Bina started to come out of the cocoon. And she wriggled, and she wriggled, and she pushed, and she pushed. Can you wriggle and push? Try and come out of your cocoon. Breaking out of your cocoon, metaphorically speaking. Keep wriggling, keep wriggling, until she became a butterfly. Yeah!